funds could flow through cryptos like Stellar XLM, and Zion coins could benefit. Yes, people, you and I could benefit. But how am I arriving at that, and how am I coming to that conclusion? Well, first, before all of that, please like, subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I can keep delivering more and more content like this to you more frequently. It also helps if you watch to the end, because yes, people, it's all about the fundamental facts of the matter. And in this video, that's what I'll be explaining. I'll be talking about why I bought this dying stock, why I think this stock has any use in our ecosystem. So watch until the end. Now, with that aside, let me just say this. It's clear there is a number of stocks that are inexplicably linked with Stellar XLM, and Zion Coins is exploring that potential. And really, what stock am I talking about? It's clear. BlackRock, obviously, not just BlackRock. If you haven't guessed, AT&T. And if you look at the charts, this stock just looks like it's dying off. But why? Why am I jumping in to this stock? And you could pick this up in Trading 212. Links in the description. Excuse me, just had my lunch. Hope you don't mind. But this is crucial, and I think what we need to do is have a look at this chart and see why this has got absolute huge potential. Nathan, over to you on the charts.
Yes, Nathan, thanks for that. And it's clear, I think this picture, if you've not seen one like this before, I think, you know, you really got to do a little bit more research, because actually when we look at this picture, it looks like Wyckoff accumulation. And you know, I've put a number of fractals down here, and we'll have a look at that Wyckoff accumulation just quickly. Yeah, certainly. So if we see where we are, I think really with the AT&T chart, it's clear these are the levels here. It's not exactly the same, but very similar. You know, we've got this structure over here, the AR phase A. We've been through phase B, which is this here, and we formed a new bottom, which we can call the spring, right? So it's coiling up like a spring in phase C, and this is where we are. And my fractal is pretty much symbolizing the phase D, and that fractal is pretty much a repeat of what we had before. And there we go. As you can see, clearly we've got this, we're in this phase D area right now, and it looks like we could be turning around, but you know, we could only get so much from the charts, right? This is on the monthly, by the way. And could we see prices for AT&T of $120, $140? Could we? There is potential. Well, certainly the Fibonacci levels tell us that we could be seeing that. It just depends on, you know, how well this company does. But I think in my previous videos, I discussed the partnership with BlackRock. It's quite vital. And if they go out to Ukraine together, we could probably see a lot higher prices than we are right now. And really, you know, I don't know whether this is the bottom, don't take my word from it, but this certainly looks like a bottoming structure. And you can just see what I'm anticipating with this fractal, this blue bar chart lines here. You know, it looks like we're going to start turning around pretty soon. And yeah, so Nathan, over to you.
That's great, thanks for that, Nathan. And yeah, so we really can see that the technicals are telling us with this Wyckoff accumulation that we're ready to go. Now, of course, that could go the other way. We could see even lower lows than what we're seeing now. It just depends on how deep the spring phase is going to go. But really, when we look at the fundamental facts of the matter, it's clear that we are in a bullish period. So trend should be changing for AT&T stock and other stocks like Western Union. And really, when you look at those charts, you can see that we're clearly entering or still in the spring phase, phase C, and we'll be entering the phase D. And my belief is that because there is no limit to a debt ceiling at the moment, US presidential elections are coming up. You know, the White House is going to want to ensure that the stocks are doing really well. They're going to want to ensure that these 401k stocks do very well, because that is the seat of their votes, right? And so when we look at that Wyckoff accumulation chart, it reinsures us that that will be the pattern that plays out. Is it going to reverse on itself and go even lower than it is at the moment? There is huge potential for that, but not right now. Right now, I think we're at the very beginnings of an uptrend. We found the floor and it's about to move up a lot higher. And really, it's clear. With the partnership with BlackRock, this infrastructure partner, AT&T, has got a lot of potential and is likely to be receiving a lot of investment. You know, they have these trillions of dollar resources at their fingertips. And so I think AT&T stock is on the up. What's it got to do with Stellar? Well, we know that Stellar is inextricably linked with BlackRock through Wisdom Tree. Even Vanguard have a part in Wisdom Tree. And Wisdom Tree are tokenizing government securities on the Stellar blockchain. It's clear, people. Trillions will flow through cryptos like Stellar XLM, and Zion coins can benefit. Yes, you and I will benefit from this. In any case, I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Smash the Zion coin up there, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And check out Banking on Bitcoin Revisited. You need a B education, and YouTube have recommended the next video, so you should watch it. Have a great day now. Take care.